I'm here today with a video on the easiest winged eyeliner you will ever do. I recently sent this stamp liner from Lottie London. I have tried a lot of Lottie London products, and there's a few that I really love. I love their brow pencil. I love their blushes. They have some good products. They are drugstore, pretty inexpensive at Ulta. And so they sent me this stamp liner, and I was really excited because I've seen a ton of stamp liners for winged liner on YouTube, on Instagram. Most of them seem to be like a stamp that you either apply liner to or you stamp it into like a little stamp pad. This one actually is a liner that, you know, is dual ended. So you have just a regular chubby felt tip on one side, and then you have the wing tip on the other. And it's supposed to be very easy. You're supposed to just be able to stamp it on and then finish up your line. And so that is the liner that we have today. It is so simple. It is so easy. You can get this at Ulta. I believe it says it is $7.49 at Ulta. If you struggle with winged liner, this is going to be an awesome product. I haven't tried the other ones that are out on the market, but I've watched enough reviews to see that most of them don't work. This one actually works. This is not sponsored by any means. I just was sent this in PR and thought it was kind of cool, and it's drugstore, and I struggle with getting good winged liner, and I found this to be pretty darn easy. So if you want to see how this works, then just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you guys in just a second. Alright, so it comes with a wing tip like this. So you can see there, it stamps a little like wing. The other side is just a fat chubby marker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stamp this and see just how easy this is. So there's like 3 little tips there, and I want the bottom tip to go kind of right at the corner of my eye here. Stamp it on. Oh, okay. That was very easy. Okay, let's do the other side. If we can get them to match here. We've stamped. Let's take this side and finish up the wing. I have kind of chunkier eyeshadow on, which I find is like, some eyeliners have a hard time going over those chunky eyeshadows. It's actually not bad. Just give it a little flick. Ooh, yeah, there we go. That fixed it. Wow. Okay, that was pretty darn easy. That's a pretty decent wing. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos of the people trying to use the stamp that you put your own liner on, or you stamp it in like a stamp pad. And I feel like all of those have turned out really bad. Like hardly any of those have worked, but I feel this actually worked really good. I feel the winged liner is pretty good. You can just, it might take a little practice getting used to like exactly where to place it, but I feel like that was really, really easy. Okay, so that was it for the video. Super short, super simple, literally the easiest winged liner I've ever done. I think just takes a little bit of practice to get the placement perfect, and then just make sure that you are angling them the same on each eye. But I feel like that was very easy and much faster than it normally would take me to do winged liner. So have you guys tried this? Have you tried other stamp wing liner products? What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.